I'm Alex Makovica from inside the Nebraska Soybean Board studios. Let's recap some factors shaping the day's commodity trade as we head into the noon hour. Not a ton of activity on the grain complexes, corn trading within a penny or two of unchanged. Soybeans about 7 cents lower, and wheat trading about 2 to 3 cents lower. Livestock trade trending higher today. And joining us to break things down, JJ Lauby joining us with Agri Management Systems. JJ,
Good morning.
let's start with this cattle. We're still seeing some higher numbers. What's going on? What do you think?
Well, yeah, the cattle just keep marching higher. We've got a good 3 day rally going here, started last Friday. Um, Even though the cash markets were lower last week, on the fat side anyway, the sale barns are still running pretty hot on the feeders. But all in all, I kind of am getting a little nervous with this cattle. Like I said, a 3 day rally, but the open interest has been dropping. That's indicative of a short covering rally, which typically doesn't bode well in the long run. So we'll just have to wait and see.
Yeah, absolutely. We look on the grain side of things real quick, JJ. We see that soybeans are the leader to the downside. What do you think's the pressure behind that complex today?
Well, give or take any day, you're it's hard to put a placement or put a reason on this move. I would say there just isn't a whole lot of news going on today, and I could sit here and try to make up excuses for the market moving 7 cents, but in all reality, that's just not a very big move. I think we still got to keep our eye on what the acreage situation is going to be. We all know what the WASD said last week, and the prospective plannings report. So moisture is going to be a thing. The 7 day forecast for at least the southern plains and the southern Midwest looks to be pretty wet, anywhere from 2 to 5 inches, and we'll just see how planning progress goes here. There just really isn't a whole lot to talk about today, Alex.
Well, that's all right. We'll dive into these factors. Maybe something will shake up later today. JJ will be
We'll
joining us in
see.
this afternoon's channel final bell. So we'll see what happens. Weirder things have happened lately.
Yep.
I'm Alex Makovica with a recap of today's market activity here for the Rural Radio Network.